Hello, this is Project Runway. There will be one winner who wins $50,000 for a free shopping spree at Mood. Today, our finalists are Sydney Narcellis and Martina Montsilva. We will be checking in on Sydney Narcellis today to see her final pieces that she creates for the finale. I'm Catherine Taylor, and I will be the judge. Hello, Sydney. What have you been working on today?
Well, the garment I have chosen to make today is a dress. I'm pretty much done with it, just adding some last details. Then I'll be using some accessories and styling it with hair and makeup.
Well, it looks great. I was wondering how you went about placing the cinch at this part of the dress.
Well, to give the dress shape, I pulled it in at the waist to give the model a nice body shape. I found the waist by partitioning line segments. The end of the dress, I imagined, was at -5'6", and the top was at 5'6". I used the equation x1 plus a over a plus b, parenthesis, x2 minus x1, and y1 plus a over a plus b, parentheses, y2 minus y1. To find a spot 2/3 up the dress to make the waist, this made the equation 5 plus 2/3, parentheses 6 minus 5, and -5 plus 2/3, parentheses 6 plus 5. I solved it and found the waist at 5 2/3 and 2 1/3.
Oh, how great! It is placed so perfectly. The length of the dress is very appealing as well. Did you use the distance formula to find how long your fabric had to be? I see you have some extra fabric.
Yeah, I got extra fabric just in case. I used the distance formula, the square root of x2 minus x1 squared plus y2 minus y1 squared. I plugged in the equation with the coordinates of the top of the dress, 5'6", and the bottom of the dress, -5'6".
I see, so the answer was the square root of -5 minus 5 squared plus 6 minus 6 squared, which equals 10.
Yes, I knew my fabric had to be 10 feet long, so I got 15 feet instead.
Just out of curiosity, how wide was your fabric?
It was 10 feet wide.
So using the area formula of length times width, the area is 150 feet squared.
That's correct. I also found what the area of the polka dots on the dress were using a different area formula, the one for circles. A equals pi times radius squared. The radius of the circles was about 3 inches, so pi times 3 squared was about 28.27 inches.
Wow, it looks great. It's really an advantage that you know your fabric so well.
Thank you. Funny story, I had to measure the model's head to make sure the hat I wanted her to wear would fit. To find the circumference of the hat, I used the equation c equals d times pi. The distance was about 8 inches, and 8 times pi is about 25 inches. The model's head was about 25 inches around, so the hat should fit perfectly.
Sydney's dress looks like it's coming along great. Martina has some serious competition. I'm Catherine Taylor, and I'll see you next time on Project Runway.